Hello everyone and welcome back again. So I just thought I'd do a quick update on the hanging basket challenge between me and Rob. It was set by Bill and Val over at Bill and Val's Allotments, and the challenge was to make a hanging basket ball, you can see here, and to get it a ball of flowers. And you can see just starting to flower on some of these now, so just have a quick look at them. So this one, we've got petunias and lobelias in this one, and I'm beginning to think maybe I should have planted something in the bottom. In the easy grow baskets we've got some more petunias and a couple of lobelias in the top there. Then this one is the same, but we've got a couple of marigolds in the top and just starting to get flowers on them, and the lobelias also just starting to flower. Some more lobelias and petunias, and there is a couple of marigolds in there as well. Pansies, I've deadheaded most of these, I'll do the rest just before we go. These ones, and I'll also give them a good feed before we go. But these baskets with the miracle growing seem to be looking really healthy, so I might use that again in the future. And then last but not least, the last ball one that I constructed, and this is just full of lobelia, so hopefully that should turn into a nice ball of flowers soon. I'm thinking I could have put a couple more in it, but it's all trial and error, just a bit of friendly competition between me and Rob, and I know he's putting out an update soon, so looking forward to seeing how he's getting on with his. But this is my attempt. Never done anything like this before. Usually just do the normal hanging baskets like this. But these are new to me, and this is something that I've put together myself. So I'll pop a link to the video of me making this on the end screen and in the description. And if you follow along, see how we're all getting on with the competition, and maybe enter in next year. Bye for now.